with easing the pain. This voice inside my head isn't dead, I think it's growing. Soon we will be one and the same. I've been going to the racetrack, spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into an 8-track.
Look at that beautiful view of Cape Town, Table Mountain. On our way to Shaun now. So the man, if you guys don't know, has broken his ankle. So Shaun has been basically out of commission for the past couple of weeks. The man is now hoppling on his one leg to get some work done and stuff. But yeah, we're on our way to him now. I'll catch up a bit there. Trying something different now. Got the GoPro. So hopefully the vlogs is gonna be more engaging to see things from my point of view. No, I'm not copying Lorenzo Lacay because that is not what we want to do. But I'm just getting tired of walking around with all these heavy bags of gear and both cameras and stuff. So I'm just having the one backpack here that I can just get. You know, that's just a lot of effort to carry the gimbal around, carry the camera backpacks around, all these lenses. And what I just basically want to do is I want to just have a wide angle camera. While my hands is free, I can do some POV shots where I'm busy with the camera and stuff. But yeah, look, Lorenzo inspired me with this, so I want to see how it works out. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm not gonna do like POV like this like I'm doing now, but it's just to make things easier when we vlog and make my editing more simpler. I know I've set the standard to make cinematic vlogs and make the vlogs also look good, but I think the GoPro footage should be decent for the vlogs. It's just very heavy carrying all this gear around, and you have to vlog with these lenses and heavy cameras and gimbals, etc. When you can just shoot a vlog via the GoPro and just throw your cinematics in between. But other than that, we're on our way to Shaun now. Hallo. Hi. Ek het 'n stuk vergeet al. So I'm not shooting on the normal camera today. Trying something else. I'm shooting on the GoPro, but I'm getting a bit tired, man. Like carrying all the heavy bags and stuff around. Anyways, to get to the point. We are here by Shaun, first time in a couple of weeks. Hello Shaun. Die man is op krikke daarso. Dis man, broke his ankle.
Nog steeds op krikke, ons probeer dan die wat sê dat te word.
Aan die gang bly.
Yeah. Go back to normal. But it ain't happening. Nog 2 weke, maar vanmôre as ek mag ek begin loop sonder die krikke, maar ek het nog 2 weke in die boot. Maar ja, ek moet begin back into action kom. Back into action, want die breek het my 'n bietjie agtersit my werk. Soos julle kan sien, is dit 'n bietjie rough, but we're getting there slowly but surely. So hopefully in the next week or so I will be back to normal. Hopefully.
And I think this is something that one of my dearest good YouTuber friends is waiting on. This man is always asking me, when is the VVL build gonna get started on? Ryan, Ryan, Mr. Bag Boys, with the Mazda 323 with a VVL engine. The time is almost there, the man has started.
Ja, we're getting there. We're getting it. Daar lê die fuel tank. Fuel tank is gemaakt. Fuel tank is gemaakt. I'm just changing up a few stuff now. Because we've got it close to the wheel. So we're just busy changing a few stuff. And yeah. The fueling system is actually done. The fueling system is actually done. Kom hier nog nie voor, kom my vas, hy gaan so staan. So the fueling system is done and complete. I just had to relocate the outlet on the tank. It was very, very close to the wheel, and we didn't want to take any chances with it interrupting and causing havoc. So it's an old fuel cell, which or the car's original fuel cell, which we just modified and made it fit. But yeah, it's there, it's done. It just needs to be cleaned up nicely and then fit it. So
What else must you still do on the VVL?
okay, so fueling system is done. I need to intake and stuff's all bolted in place, everything's done there. So battery still needs to be done. Induction and stuff needs to be done, but I'm waiting on Jody to come, and so we can discuss where, what and how, because Jody's very sick at the moment. So I'm waiting for him to get back on his feet, and then yeah, we can do the final arrangements. We can do the final stuff and then get it sorted. But yeah, like I said, I'm waiting on him to come because he's sick. But I'm almost done with what I had to do to the car. And ja, dan is het net van die body panels so goed klaarmaak en in mekaar kry en dan ready for action. Hy probeer eintlik die kar klaar kry vir 22nd of June. Dit is oor 10 dae.
Sure, 10 days.
So ek weet nie of die kar gaan klaar wees nie. Ek dink het gesê 22nd is die event.
Daar's 'n winter 22nd.
Ek dink dit is vir daai so. Ja, we'll see. We'll see.
Oh, die color setup, green and blue. Het staan baie uit.
Die FT gaan goed beladen, mooi lyk ook man. Die FT vat in so goed.
En the Mustang?
Okay, so
Man is even 'n paar upgrades.
ja, die kar het eintlik gekom. Die kar was oorspronklik fuel injection. Toe gaan hulle het 'n probleem met die fuel injection system gehad. Toe gaan hulle terug carburetor toe. So die kar is nou by my vir die fuel injection system. 'n Holley Sniper kit, Holley Sniper toe. En die op pad hiernatoe toe is daar garage op die engine. So nou moet die garages reggemaak word voor die fuel injection kan gedoen word. So dit gaan nou gebeur. Ek probeer net die kar net by mekaar kry en klaar kry en dan gaan ons die Mustang klaar maak. So ek is nou net soos ek sê, ek is 'n bietjie moeilik op die voet. Ek kan nie goed ronddraai en goed hê. So in dieselfde as moet ek sê thank you for being patient with me, my clients. Because it is very difficult. But I'm getting there. Dis nou net Jody se kar klaar maak, Jody se kar klaar is. Ek is besig met ou in die Resi groep se intake is ek besig mee. Ek gaan nie name noem nie. Ja.
Wat is?
Ja, daar ons het Daar's die ding. Vir een van die Resi ouens besig met 'n throttle intake te modify en wat, hier so is dit. Ek gaan nie name noem nie. So, dit moet nog mooi skoon gemaak word en alles.
Ek
Sit-
dink ek weet
But just wait and see. Just
Ek
wait and
dink ek weet wie daar is.
Just wait and see. So ek noem niks name nie. Dis ek ek nou die aand gesê het op die groep Private Eye. Maar ja, dit is actually as ek nou die klas met die toerings is my goed, dan gaan ek eers daai klaar maak. Sodat hy kan aan die werk kom met sy ander goed is. But we're getting there.
Alright.
So wait and see. Wait and see.
So I'm gonna do a couple of cinematics in between now with my other camera, so we can have some footage in between. But in saying that, guys, please support the clothing brand that we're busy with. Don't know if you can see at the back. Camera is een beetje zo onder
Ken
de
dit op
boord.
die grond nou?
Dat is op de grond.
Dis ken in jou nek, bro.
Yeah. We've got all the. Het is genoeg gekry daar. So we're busy basically kicking off the apparel range. There's been quite a bit of orders. Thank you all for the support. But yeah, all the details is on the Facebook page. Yeah, all the details is on the Facebook page, so just check the Facebook page out, or you can WhatsApp me on my catalog. The catalog is on WhatsApp for you to see what we all have in stock. But otherwise, till next time. And we are gonna do more drag cars. Just to touch on that quickly. I see there was a lot of support for the B20 of Avril that we did. So just to give you guys a heads up, we're gonna do more of those things in future. So keep your eyes peeled on that. Until next time, cheers.
Give it to me.